मेकअप विच ड्रिंक्स अल्कोहल, सही सुना। ये है मेरा शानदार और सुपर एक्सपेंसिव मेकअप जो सिर्फ अल्कोहल से ही जिंदा होता है। इसको होश में लाने के लिए पानी नहीं बल्कि अल्कोहल के छींटे मारने पड़ते हैं। इनके बारे में और जानने के लिए हमको पहले ये जानना जरूरी है कि इनको ये अजीब नाम क्यों दिया है। अल्कोहल एक्टिवेटेड मेकअप एक नई कैटेगरी का मेकअप है जो यूज करता है स्पेशल पॉलीमर बेस which readily dissolves in alcohol but not in water. They are specifically designed to last for hours, providing sweat and water resistance. ये इनकी सुपर पावर्स है कि ये स्वेट से नहीं बल्कि अल्कोहल से ही रिमूव होते हैं। Liquid alcohol-based face paints can be applied with a brush and a sponge or using an airbrush. The solid versions need an alcohol-based activator like 99% isopropyl alcohol to hydrate the product. Alcohol activated makeup एक बहुत valuable tool है in special effects makeup. Its staying power is nearly unparalleled on skin. EPI Skin Illustrator's Onset palettes are a fantastic range of alcohol activated solid color systems. Onset palettes big size palettes में भी आते हैं. But for a makeup artist to carry on a busy set with lot of other products in bag, they are a great blessings. Each palette contains a carefully selected combination of all the really popular Skin Illustrator colors. इस स्वेट और वाटरप्रूफ फॉर्मूले को स्किन, हेयर एंड प्रोस्थेटिक्स पर यूज किया जा सकता है to create a whole manner of ultra-realistic special effects or to cover tattoos and imperfections, which makes them my favorite on-the-go color systems for prosthetic makeup. Today we will talk about Skin Illustrator palettes and their application for creating veins. So I would keep everything aside and just keep Skin Illustrator palette on the table. This is Necromania palette. It is best for creating dead characters. We would need alcohol to activate them. No wonder I love it so much. There is always a lot of chaos on set. We have to be on our toes because time is money and every second counts. तो ऐसे एक शूट में मेरा पैलेट जोर से गिरा और टूट गया. Taping it like this was the only option I had. मेरे पैलेट सेट में दूसरे आर्टिस्ट के साथ मिक्स नहीं होते because of their unique injuries and design. Well, the product writes on bag, Skin Illustrator colors have been tested by independent labs for dermal irritation and premier products in directions. You must use Skin Illustrator activator or 99% alcohol to activate the color pigment. Color may be applied with a brush or sponge. Do not use 70% alcohol, milk, water, acetone or any other solvent. Caution, keep away from kids because kids are This product is totally vegan, which means they don't test on innocent animals, which makes them my favorite again. This is Illustrator Onset Complexion Palette. As you can see, these paints are not going anywhere. I have a little spray bottle with alcohol in it and I'm like, which activates the color. The last one I have is Skin Illustrator Onset Flesh Tone Palette. This has more basic neutral tones, vein tones, all these are my favorite shades. I have activated using, it is activated using IPA 99% isopropyl alcohol and can be applied directly from the palette using a fine effects brush. This also makes the palette a self-sanitizing palette. Here I'm using a thin bristle brush for fine detailing. तुम eyeliner brush या art and craft painting brush use कर सकते हो. I will take small amount of paint on a thin brush and I'm gonna lightly test it on my skin. If it looks too heavy, you can slightly tap it into your skin. अभी मैं अपनी natural veins के ऊपर light washes vein tone के apply कर रही हूँ. So that मेरी natural vein tone थोड़ी dark हो जाए और natural color से ज़्यादा emphasized लगे. If you want to lighten it up, you can put more alcohol to your mixture. That would water down your paint even more. कभी भी अगर ओवर एक्साइटेड होकर तुमने एक्स्ट्रा कलर डिपॉजिट कर दिया अपने पेंटिंग प्रोसेस में तो यू कैन गो बैक विद लिटिल अल्कोहल और अल्कोहल को उसी एरिया पे हल्का सा रब करके तुम अपने एप्लीकेशन की हिस्ट्री डिलीट कर सकते हो. To give it a very gross and infected kind of look, I like to create small capillaries stemming from the veins with a lot of squiggly lines which are very easy to make. These kinds of veins are very stressed out, blood flow, broken capillaries, maybe even a zombie infection. Disclaimer: these palettes of solid color can appear dry, cracked and shrunken, and this is just the nature of the product when the pigment evaporates and dries into a solid formula so that it can be put into cells. This is purely aesthetic and does not affect the performance or quality in any way at all. Once the IPA, which is alcohol, is in contact with the pigment, it reactivates and they work perfectly well without affecting the quality or performance. मैंने बहुत सारे बिगनर्स आर्टिस्ट का रिव्यू अमेजोन पे देखा है जो ड्राई पैलेट्स को एक डिफेक्ट टैग करके अपनी कंप्लेंट रजिस्टर कर रहे थे, which is totally a lack of knowledge. These palettes are meant to be like this only. As you can see, the makeup is not coming off. Now I will use little amount of 99% alcohol on a cotton ball and rub it gently over my designed vein. Now I will moisturize the area because alcohol takes away the moisture. If you like this quick tutorial or even if you hate it, do let me know in the comments, and thanks for watching. With every single view my channel gets very close to get monetized. Love you all. This world is a crazy place. Please be kind, kinder, kindest or kindest.